do you say you are going to in that city? Because I know that you don't know anyone or have anybody in that city. Where are you going to?
Mama, there is nothing you will say now that will change my mind.
Ebo.
My mind is made up. I'm going to the city. I don't need to know someone in the city before I go there. I'm going.
Nabiko, why not stay back? Let's wait for people to come back for Christmas. Let's see if we can see anyone that you follow back to the city.
So that you will kill me?
Kill?
Yes, now if I wait from now till Christmas, now.
No.
I am going to the city, Mama. There is nothing you say that will change my mind.
Hey!
Tell Nadi and Nai Ude that they should come to the city. Their punishment is waiting for them.
Greedy woman,
You are indeed a strong man. Thank you so much. Hey. Wait. May I know you, please?
Austin.
Okay, I'm Jane. I really want to thank you so much for this. You don't know what it means to me. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Can I drop you off?
Where?
Wherever. Don't you have a destination?
I'll just get my bag. No, it's ladies first.
No, it doesn't matter. It's my car. Just go inside. I'll just go through that way. Austin? Hey! What are you doing? Why are you holding that bread like that? Is it like your meal?
Well, that's what I can afford.
Oh, sorry about that. So where can I drop you?
Anywhere.
What do you mean anywhere? I mean, where can I drop you?
Like I said, anywhere. You just pull over if you want.
I asked a question. I mean, anywhere is nowhere.
Okay, I don't know anyone here. As a matter of fact, I'm just coming from the village. I have nowhere in particular. I know no one here, but I'll see how and where I can start life from.
Okay. It's fine then.
You're such a lifesaver.
No, you did more. Honestly, I must commend you for that. Thank you so much for today. And so where are you going to sleep tonight? I mean, considering the story you told me about yourself, you don't have a place at all. I would have, suggested that you come with me to my house. I mean, our house. But my mother wouldn't let that happen. She's a very strict woman.
I understand. But a masquerade that comes out on the market day must be ready to dance to impress the audience. I'm a man in the battlefront. Trust me, I'm aware of what is before me. So however, I'll figure it out.
I understand perfectly. But gone are those days when people sleep under the bridge, in uncompleted buildings. You can be mistaken for a hoodlum. I wouldn't want that to happen.
We'll find a way out.
Okay, don't worry yourself. I am going to take you to a friend's place where you're going to be putting up for now until we figure out what to do.
Thank you so much. Thank you very much.
No, you don't have to thank me. It's okay. I know this place is not so beautiful, but I want you to just manage it for now.
That's what you call manage. I like it. It's
okay.
fine. Yes.
Okay.
Thank you.
No, it's okay.
Thank you.
Alright, I have to get going now.
But babe, you told me you're a student.
Mm-hmm.
How did you get money to get this place for me?
Don't bother yourself about that. I always know how to get money from my mother.
Oh, your mother.
Yes, my mom.
Ah, okay. Once again, thank you.
You're welcome. Come here.
Ah. Please drive carefully.
Sure. Come here. Bye.
Bye.
Why do you choose to break my trust, my friend? My love, why do you choose to break my trust, my friend? I feel so betrayed. I feel so broken. So why do you choose to break my heart, my love? I gave you my love, you broke it. I gave you my heart, you smashed it. So why do you choose to let me down, my love? I can't believe that this is coming from you. Why me? Why me?
traveling today. Why?
Mama, I am not worthy to live with you. I don't deserve to live with you. I just wish that my friend, your daughter, will forgive me.
I don't get that. Did you quarrel with her or what?
You may not understand, Ma.
Now, tell me what she did to you, because I will not tolerate any nonsense from her. Is it because of your constant advice on how to beware of men? Tell me if that is it. I won't let you go. Is that why she's sending you away?
Mama, it is a long story. I just want her forgiveness. May I take my leave, Mama?
Pretty woman.
Igafisia. Igafisia. Igafisia.
It quest for riches, greediness and selfishness took over you. Idunya mwagi na fufu, kedulu waga balogi.
You choose to break my heart, my love. Why do you choose to break my trust, my friend?
I feel so betrayed. I feel so broken. So why do you choose to break my heart, my love? I gave you my love, you broke it. I gave you my heart, you smashed it. So why do you choose to let me down, my love?
Jane! Jane! Why would you ask someone to... Jane! 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 No, 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 no! Jane! 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 Ah! Chama! 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 Choma! Choma! Where is Choma? Huh? Choma! Choma! Come and help me! Choma! Jane! Hey! Jane!
Don't worry.
Are you cold?
No, I'm fine.
So,
I'm not hungry.
what is going on? Sister, has she eaten?
No, she refused to eat. I've been trying to force her, but she refused.
No. Jane, dear. Sweetheart, please, you need to eat something. You've not taken anything since morning.
I'm not hungry.
That's what she's been saying.
She has to eat something. I know you're not hungry, right? But you have to put something in your stomach to enable you take your medication. Oh, sweetheart. Sweet love, give me that food. I know you're not hungry. But you need to put something into your stomach to get warm now, to take your medication. So,
I thought you should take your bath and rest.
I will. I want to. I'll be fine, don't worry. I'm okay. Where is mommy?
Oh, your mom got an urgent call from her office. That was why she asked me to come to the hospital and help you home.
Oh.
Yeah.
Thank God for mommy. I would have been a dead person by now.
But Jane, why do you even decide to take your own life? You just decide to poison yourself, all because of a man.
Sister, what are you saying? I am the one that wears the shoe, and I feel its fang. My dear, what would you have me do? A man I call my fiancé and my best friend on his bed, making love. How do you explain that? I mean...
And so? Jane, and so? Eh? By the way, where is that Choma?
I don't want to know. I don't even want to hear that name in my life again. I don't want to know.
It's okay. It's a temptation and it could happen to anyone.
But why me? Why me? What wrong have I done? Have I not been so faithful to him? Have I not loved and cared for him? Why would he do this to
Jane,
me?
you have to calm down. You just got back from the hospital and you are not strong enough.
I will never trust anybody in my life again. Never will I. Never.
Please stop now. Stop all this. I want you to put all this behind you. In fact, let me get you a fruit juice to calm your nerves. Just hold on for me. I'm coming.
Like to see Jane, please.
Jane. I'm not sure if it's even this gate I opened for you now, is big enough for Auntie Jane to recommend my sack. Please go, I don't want her to sack me because
You have to open the gate. Nanit said, did she tell you anything?
no, she did not tell me anything, no, but she told me that she don't want to see me to open this gate anytime when I see you here. So, Oga, you can just go. I don't want her to sack me because
choose to break my heart, my love? Why do you choose to break my trust, my friend?
I feel so betrayed. I feel so broken. So why do you choose to break my heart, my love? I gave you my love, you broke it. I gave you my heart, you smashed it. So why do you choose to let me down, my love? I can't believe that this is coming from you.
I told you, in this world, you are nothing without money. If you had money, she wouldn't behave that way.
How can you say a thing like that, Ken? It's my fault. I mean, I caused it all.
Caused it. What did you do? Because she caught you sleeping with her best friend. And so what?
Is that not enough?
Come on. It's because you don't have money. If you have money, you can sleep with 10 girls, including her mother. And she wouldn't mind as far as you call the shots.
I love her. I love her. I love her. What do I do to win her back? How do I get her back?
Okay, you know what? Can you introduce me to her? At least let me talk to her on your behalf.
Not now that everything is still hot. I'm not sure she will listen to anybody.
Well, I think you just need to try your best. Try all your possible best. Even though it will take you going back to your old trade. Just give it your best to get her back. Again, of course. You need to get money. If you have money, she will come back to you.
Hi, sis. Ah, my baby girl. Good afternoon.
You're welcome.
Hi, good afternoon. Good afternoon.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much, sis.
Baby girl, I didn't hear the sound of your car.
No, I didn't come in my car. I parked it for now.
Hey, how is my sister doing?
She's okay, but still stubborn as usual. You know your sis.
That's good for a good mom that wants the best for her daughter.
Not when it's too much.
Enough. Let's not talk about that. Okay. My friend John, I've told you a lot about him.
Hi, John. I think I've met him here before. Nice to meet you.
Same here. You're welcome.
Thank you.
And this is his friend, Ken.
Okay. Hi, Ken.
Hi.
I'm Jane.
Yeah, okay. Nice to meet you.
It's a pleasure.
You're not looking bad at all.
Thank you.
Sorry, what do you do?
I just graduated. Yeah, though I'm helping my mom out in her business.
Oh, that's splendid. It's much better, unlike other girls who just don't do anything, you know?
No, I'm not like that. I've always wished to be independent, so.
You're welcome.
Oh, thank you. So, sis, you know that I am famished. Ogolo! Ogolo! Come here.
Yes, madam.
How many times have I warned you never to leave this door open? Are you stupid? Are you mad? The next time this nonsense repeats itself again, I'm going to sack you in this house. Get out! What are you doing here? Now get out. I said get out of my house! After everything you've done, you still get out. You don't want to leave, right? Get out of my house. Make sure you get out of my house right now! Get out! Stupid. Hey, look! When he leaves, shut the gate. Nonsense.
Why do you choose to break my heart, my love? Why do you choose to break my trust, my friend? I feel so betrayed. I feel so broken. So why do you choose to break my heart, my love? I gave you my love, you broke it. I gave you my heart, you smashed it. So why do you choose to let me down, my love? I can't believe that this is from you. Why me? Why me? Oh, why do you choose to break my heart, my love?
What are you doing here?
I came to see how my beautiful girl is doing.
Get out. Get out this minute or I am going to call the security on you. And I mean it.
And tell them what? Tell them that your lover who makes you scream like a child in bed is a criminal?
You're not doing this.
What will you tell them? That the man whose friend facilitated your
You know what you did. You made my best friend hate me. Austin, I told you. When you were making this up, I told you to stop. I begged you, but you wouldn't listen.
When did you ask me to stop? Remember you told me that no man has ever loved you the way I did.
You said that to me. You never asked me to stop. You soaked my pillow with tears of love.
Stop! Stop it, Austin!
I need you to listen and listen real good. Let me go straight to the point why I'm here. I need to reconcile with Jane. And you are going to help me to achieve that. Once again, you look beautiful.
Greedy woman. Ifonya
Jane, believe me when I say you're something so special.
And, this few weeks, I can categorically say that you're a gentleman. I give that to you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Can you promise me one thing?
Okay, go ahead, ask. What do you want me to promise you?
That I will look no further. I'm still waiting.
Well, Ken, the truth is that it won't be as easy as shelling peas. Sorry. So sorry about that.
It's okay.
Ouch.
It's okay. Oh, I think I have the dress in the car.
Oh, okay. Okay, sorry.
I love you, baby.
Thank you.
So tell me, on our next outing is when you give me your reply.
Yes. I will.
Dad, you need to see this girl. She's everything a man needs in a woman.
Ken, please. I've told you before, I don't want to talk about it.
About what?
About women.
Oh, come on. Not when it's about a proposed wife. Come on.
You proposed to her already?
Yes, I did. Congratulations. So, who's she? Oh my God. She's everything a man needs in a woman.
Wow.
You know. Her cousin is a fiancé to my friend. And since I met this girl, it's like a dream come true. She's so beautiful, so kind, you know, so curvy, everything you can think about in a woman.
Congratulations, my brother. Well, you want to know the truth? I don't want to talk about this anymore.
Come on, please, you need to do me a favor.
Now, what is it?
You will need to go with me to her family house next week with my uncle.
I need you to be there. Next week.
So, Jen, tell me, how are you getting on in this journey?
Very well. He's almost perfect. He's loving, caring, adoring. As a matter of fact, it's everything good.
Just like my John. Birds of the same feather.
But I never believed that after Austin, I would ever fall in love again. Never.
Why not? It's always like that. When one door closes, another opens.
But some doors are better left unclosed.
I think you have a point there.
Guess what?
What?
He has finally proposed.
It's a lie.
Yes, he did.
Ah, congratulations, baby. So fast.
But I'm having a problem here.
What?
I don't think my mom will allow me to get married to him.
But Ken is an engineer. And he's not doing bad. I think his future is bright.
A radio mechanic. You know your sister. She won't let me get married to him. That has always been my problem. And I love this man. I truly love him.
Mama, oh. Oh, Mama. Mama, good day, ma.
How are you? Oh, this one that you people march into my compound like soldiers today. Hope all is well.
All is well, no. Everything is fine.
Yes, you.
Yes,
Hope I'm safe. Am I safe?
You're very safe, ma. There's no problem. We actually... Because we've not heard from our friend, your son, Austin. And we're worried, so we decided to come and ask you if you've heard from him.
My children, I myself, I have not even heard from him since then. But someone told me that he sees him in the city.
He sees Austin in the city? Which part of the city? Is it Lagos or Abuja? Did the person give you his number?
Is he not your friend? Huh? Both of you are supposed to know more better about him than me.
Mama, we know. But because we've not heard from him, so we decided to come and ask you, ma.
You know what? When next I see the man, I will tell him, I will ask him, or I will direct him to you people for him to give you people the number.
That is just the best. That's his number, eh?
Yes, yes.
Very important.
Udo.
That is okay.
That is very important. That is number.
Don't worry. I will, if I see the man, I will direct him.
Okay. Thank you, ma. God bless you. Whenever I call again, please, if he calls you, just let us know. Tell us.
According to what you said, a radio mechanic can never be my son-in-law. Let him look for his class.
Mommy, what exactly are you saying? You don't know this guy in question. You don't. You need to spend time with him, then you understand what I'm talking about. Mommy, this guy has prospects.
That's exactly what you said about that wretched boy some time ago. Have you forgotten?
Mommy, please don't refer to Nnamdi as a wretched person. Don't do that. Please. I would have married him, only that I respected your wish. But now, Mommy, I've found someone else. Someone I truly love. You refer to him as being poor? Mommy, this guy is okay. He's comfortable. I've been to his apartment. He's okay.
You've been to his house already? Now tell me, did he touch you?
Oh, come off it, Mommy. Don't be like that. Oh.
Well, It doesn't rest on me until I see things with my own eyes.
Mommy, I am certain. I am the one fully involved here, not you. I am telling you the truth. I love this man in question. He cares about me. He adores me, Mommy. I mean, what else can a girl ask for?
A lot. A lot, sweetheart. A capital. A-L-O-T.
Quest for riches, greediness and selfishness took over you.
Welcome.
Not too fast.
How do you mean?
Stay away from me. That's what I mean. I don't even know the devil or the demon that made it possible that our path ever crossed in this life. Oh.
Even when you're angry, you're still beautiful. I remember how we met. And I also know it's a blessing in disguise. So unfortunate that the devil used the wrong person.
Oh my God.
Jane, yes, I love her. But trust me, sweetheart, I love you more.
Did you just say that?
Yes.
You're a heartless beast. What we gave to her, she didn't deserve it. It wasn't meant for her.
But the deed is done.
The deed is done. I came here for two things. First, stay clear, away, far from me. Second, you have to find a way to reconcile me back with Jane. She is my friend, and what I did to her was terrible. She didn't deserve that insult.
I know. It's okay. It's not enough reason for you to cry yourself to blindness. Come on. Come on. Come sit. Come on, come sit. Huh? We'll sort it out. Come on. We'll look for a way out.
The only way is to go to her house because she's not picking her calls. That's the only way.
I don't think going to her house is a good idea.
Why? We're just going there to, reconcile with her.
Going to her house.
Why? Why?
Experience. I am talking out of experience. Walk away if you don't love me. I know how you feel. But I think the right thing to do now is plan to get married. Jane is gone. She's gone for good. If it is the will of God for us to settle well, we sure will.
Over my dead body.
Walk away. You consider me, Austin, evil. Same person that has loved you. The same Austin that abandoned Jane for you. The same Austin that has made you secure a job.
Are you blackmailing me now?
No. I am loving you even more. I love you. And I want to spend the rest of my life with you.
Nna, this one you called me out here, hope all is well. Because I have been trying to talk to you since you came back from the city. For me to know how you are faring in the city. I know the kind of job you are doing. But all to no avail.
Mama, all these things you're saying are not important.
So, what is important that we are supposed to discuss here now?
First of all, I'll be going back to the city tomorrow morning.
Okay. That's good.
Secondly, I wish to inform you that I'll be getting married very soon.
Oh, is you? Hey, Chideko, that's a very good news. I'm so happy to hear this. I can't wait to see the woman in question. So when are you bringing her for me to see her?
As soon as we conclude everything, I'll bring her for you to see.
Hey! Chineko Tito Imena. I know that my God will not allow my enemies to mock me. Yes!
Amen. Mama, the most important one. I want to sell a plot of land from the pieces of land my father left behind.
Wait. You mean you want to sell your father's land?
No, I want to rent it. I said I want to sell my father's land. All the things I listed out now, it's not money they used to do it. Huh?
What is wrong with you? So, because you want to marry, that's why you want to sell your father's land? Okay? I thought you have a very good talk for us to discuss here. I don't know that is this verbal talk.
Mama, this is not why I've called you. I've not called you to exchange words with you. I want to sell a plot, just one plot. It's my father's land.
Greedy woman.
Hello. Welcome.
Thank you, madam.
Good day, madam.
So, how may I be of any help?
I am Ironsi. With me here is my cousin Ken. And we're here for a mission.
What mission? Why would you buy me a drink?
My cousin here saw a beautiful flower in your compound. And that's why we're here.
Do you mind going straight to the point?
Well, it's actually your daughter we're talking about, madam.
I'm lost. Talking about her on what?
My cousin Ken wants to marry your daughter Jane.
Young man,
Yes.
what do you do for a living?
I'm an engineer.
Yes. Engineer on what?
A radio mechanic, to be precise.
That is wrong. I am not a man who gives his daughter out in marriage.
It's true, madam. Since our father is late, we think we should start with you first, before meeting the family members and the elders.
I see. If you need more drinks and a better one, you can take from my bar. Or I can give you people money to buy as many as you want. I don't want to see you around this house when I go in there and come out. Hey, who are you leaving this for? Come on, pick it.
Greedy woman. In quest for riches, greediness and selfishness took over you. Idunya mwagi na fufu, kedulu waga balogi. You detest the poor, not believing they can rise tomorrow. Oburo kwano onye di anata, gadigida nechi, chukwu na-ebuli elu, ifuli female nwagi. Anyukwu ajaka. Value everyone you see around you. God uplift. Greediness is bad. It is deadly. Nekeni figa. Ifonya choko.
I'm not finding this whole thing funny. After everything I told my mother, I pleaded with her so much. She still sent Ken out of our house. For what?
Why would any parents not want Ken for a son-in-law?
That's the problem. It beats me. It beats my imagination. I mean, sometimes I wonder if my mother really wants me to get married.
No, you don't have to talk like that.
Why can't I talk like that?
She is my sister. I think I have to talk sense into her.
What's all this?
But, Jane, I think you are partly the problem.
How am I the problem?
Yes, you are too obedient to your mom.
What has come over you?
What are you talking about, Mom?
You've changed. For over a year now, you are more or less a stranger in this house. Completely withdrawn. I think I need to move you out of the country.
That's not necessary, Mom.
Why?
Because I have decided to accept your proposal.
My proposal?
Yes.
What proposal?
Your proposal
On?
to share my body with you.
I don't get that.
Mom, what are you talking about?
Why are you pretending as if you don't know what you've always wanted? I have decided to become your lesbian.
Are you alright? What has come over you?
I'm perfectly fine, Mom. I am telling you what you and I want. Especially you.
No!
Then allow me make my choice. Mom,
Stop this.
seriously, I am ready to get married to you. And I cannot wait for us to start doing it already. You and I.